Alright, we're in.
It's open.
You can take us in person. Be safe, Aiden.
Alright. Good luck, bitches.
Think you got skills?
Oh yeah.
Or think you know your way around the network? Well, so do I.
No way! No way!
Where are you? I see it. Easy enough. Move on. Wait, there you go. Cool. Yeah. Oh, no one there. Move on.
Problem with the world today, no manners, right?
Wait, sorry.
Upstairs. Nothing but play the game from a higher level.
This shit gon' work.
People watch the street.
Later.
Get around him! Got coffee! Damn! Grenade! Right there!
Sweet. Right now. Ah, damn.
Nah, man! Right there.
I know they're right there, definitely. I gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Close. Oh, I thought someone was there. If there normally is. Alright, let's move.
Bet you ain't seen nothing like me. Suicide mission soldier.
We getting torn up out here!
Stay low.
He's hit! Yo, he's flanking! Get on him!
You're gonna get lost in here forever. You ready for that, soldier?
I'm ready for anything. Okay,
If I catch a bullet,
later. Let me hear what he says.
Pick right over there, alright?
Yeah, I got it.
Ain't no way out now. Hey, whoa, whoa, watch that grenade! Yo, he got hit!
Oop, he's there.
Move it!
Nice.
It's too much, man!
Alright. Ooh.
No way out.
Much cash in here. Alright, lift you later.
Shit over here, I'm moving on.
Alright. Ooh, that is a way to kill somebody. Gotcha. Anything? Nope. Go on. Move on. Hold on for a sec. I need to shit ready. Alright.
Okay, Clara, I'm in. You should start receiving everything now.
I see it. It's all coming in. T-Bone's going to start decrypting it as soon as we have it all. That's a pretty big download.
All of this is Iraq's leverage, his blackmail. He's been collecting this for a long time.
There. That's everything. Hurry back, Aiden. T-Bone's decrypting it now.
I'm on my way.
Awesome. Now to kill Iraq, I guess. Oh, I love that character so much as well.
Oh man, look at you. Crispin? No, wait. Pierce, right? This all you, Pierce? The auction?
Iraq!
You the shit raining down on me? Cause I got a lot of shit raining down on me. Stop right there. I'm not about to let you get away with this. You've been fucking me up, snooping in my shit, right? Interfering with my plans.
Iraq, we're all dead!
It was you. You were the other hacker in the Merlot.
That there's my currency. My masterpiece. And you trying to take that from me.
You took something far more valuable from me.
I took from you. Motherfucker, I don't even know you.
Nice, okay, let's do it.
Oh, so you wanna fuck with my family, huh? Break into my house, trying to steal my shit, huh? Do you know who I am? Do you?
A wannabe king in a tiny castle.
Then you're wrong.
And you're Lucky Quinn's lapdog.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah, I seen your type before, man. Self-righteous motherfuckers. I tried your kind of people off the battlefield. Now, I'll make sure you get back to your family. Maybe one piece at a time, huh? And when I'm done, they're next on my list. What, you got a wife and kids? Brothers and sisters? Yeah, you hurt mine, I hurt yours, bitch.
Damn.
It ain't nobody gonna come save your punk ass out here either. Your sniper's locked out. And the police won't fuck with me. Hell, I am the police out here. You go down low, man. Kill that motherfucker.
Here we go.
No, man!
Come on. Sweet.
Don't bring war to a soldier, boy. You think we're friends? What, having a chat?
I'll take every file you have. All of your hard work, gone.
The Merlot's a slick hotel. Bunch of rich white motherfuckers just waiting to pay up. So you take it from me, eventually someone's gonna take it from you too. The secrets get passed around. And all sorts of people are going to die for the secrets. That's the curse of power. This is not us making a deal. You picked the fight, Pierce. Let's play it out.
Ain't gonna have a fight until I identify for your funeral. Watch it, watch it!
Feel like a real man with a gun.
Iraq was protecting a tinderbox of blackmail. But he was after something bigger. He wanted the video from the Merlot job. He never did find it. Well, the viceroys are gonna regroup, and a new leader will step up. And Bedbug? He's got a chance to get out now. I hope he takes that chance.
Yeah, so do I. Alright. I guess this is it.